How to share computer audio on Google Meet. So first is let's create a meeting. So I'm just going to start an instant meeting right here. And then once you're on the meeting, you just simply need to click on this arrow. So we'll share screen. And as you can see from the get-go, you have the option to share the tab audio. So sharing audio will only work on tabs just like this. But if you go to window, as you can see, it will say that to share audio, you need to share a tab instead. And same goes with the entire screen option. You will need to share a tab to basically share the audio. So just simply go back to your tab. So if you have a tab that you want to share, just simply click on it and you have the option to enable or disable the audio right there. So if you want to enable it, you just simply need to click on it like that and just simply click on share to basically share the video right here. And as you can see, once you're presenting it, there's also an option to enable or disable it right here. So that if you want to mute certain part of your presentation, you just simply need to click on the button right there to stop presenting the audio. And that is how you basically share your computer audio on Google Meet.